Girl, this look a hot mess.
We got one. We get the money.
We get the money.
We get the moolah.
We get the moolah.
We get the peso.
We get the peso.
We get the netto.
We get the netto.
We get the skrilla.
We get the skrilla.
We hit the lotto.
We hit the lotto.
We get the bread.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm not really too much doing anything. So as far as Vlogmas, I may have missed the mic with that, but I do want y'all to watch me put some lights on this tree. Okay, so I got this tree from Badcock, and it's a fig tree. And originally I was just thinking I need some foliage to break up the browns in my living room. So I bought this. I wasn't too much focused on the height of this tree, which honestly is kind of grown on me because it's really a bright, bold statement. And yeah, let's go ahead and put some lights on this tree. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, girl, this tree, like, okay, so in my head, okay, the ideal that I had in my head was just so much better than what it turned out to be in reality. I was highly disappointed. But that's not the point. The point is I was trying, okay? I was trying to get into the Christmas spirit, all right? But it didn't work. It really didn't work. I don't know if this even made me like feel worse, because y'all know, okay, if you've been here, like if you've been subscribed to my channel, you're an old sub, you're an OG, okay? You would know that Christmas is not really my thing, okay? Christmas ain't been my thing since I was little. Like, I just had a very bad experience with Christmas, and it's just like, you know what? These past couple of years, I have not put forth the effort to like really be in the Christmas spirit or whatever. So I was like, hey, why not just try try a different way and take little baby steps to be up in the Christmas spirit. So girl, I went and got this tree. And then it wasn't even on my mind to even do the tree like this. It's just I was thinking about getting a Christmas tree, but my pockets wasn't thinking about getting a Christmas tree. And then eventually I was able to, get this tree because I ordered this tree through Badcock or whatever on a line of credit. And once I got the tree, it was like, hey, why not put some lights on this tree? So, girl, it was terrible. It was terrible. I just, whew, Lord, fix it. Fix it, Jesus. Fix it. I'm going to tell y'all what happened to me. I'm going to explain why I'm not a Christmas person. Girl, this look a hot mess. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and make this video for story time for y'all, so y'all can get a little insight on why I'm not a Christmas person. Okay, so long story short, I was young and dumb, like most of y'all. Like everybody had their little, young dumb moments. Okay, once upon a time, I was young and I was dumb. Okay, so long story short, I was like with someone. I was with a guy, and his family this was like my high school sweetheart. His family was like very, very invested in celebrating Christmas and, spending Christmas together, whatever. So it was just kind of like, I was so invested into his family, like for the holidays and stuff. I never really spent the holidays with my own family. So long story short, we had like a terrible breakup. It was just horrible, okay? It was it was just horrible, okay? But it just really left a bad taste in my mouth because I really was invested into spending the holidays with his family, and I kind of neglected my own family. So it's kind of like Christmas is a reminder, like every year, Christmas is a reminder of how dumb I was to like invest so much of myself into something that just kind of like fell apart. It was like right now it's non-existent, and I invested so much into it. So Christmas is a reminder of how dumb, how young and how dumb I was to do that to myself, and not only myself, to my family. So it's just like I can't rock with Christmas until I resolve that. Like it's like it don't have nothing to do with him and his family. It's myself. Like I have not forgiven myself. So until I forgive myself, like until I go through that process of forgiving myself, I really can't like accept Christmas for real, for real. So like the holiday like spirit and decorating and like just being like so jolly and stuff, like I can't do that right now. Like I have to go through that process. Oh, I have to go through that process and forgive myself. So that's why I took the initiative, because I'm so sick and tired of like every time Christmas come around, like every year Christmas come around, like I just be in a bad mood, like I just be beating myself up, and I'm tired of doing that. Like I want that back. Like I need that piece back, like back. I need that piece of myself back, okay? Because let me tell y'all, this breakup was so dreadful. This breakup was like horrible. Like I like broke into little bitty. I was so broken, y'all. I was broken into a million itty bitty tiny pieces. And let me tell y'all, okay, a couple of those pieces, like a lot of those pieces, is still lost. I'm still looking for them, okay? I'm still picking up little pieces, little shatters and stuff here and there, okay, trying to put myself back together. And it's just Christmas is that constant reminder that, bitch, why you do that? Like, that was so dumb of you. Like, why did you do that? Like, what you thought? What you thought was gonna happen? So it's like that's why I'm not a Christmas person. So I just want to explain that, because I know y'all be wondering like, why does girl hate Christmas so much, or like what's wrong with her? Like who did it? And let me tell you, bitch, I did it to myself. Okay, I can't point no finger at nobody besides myself. So until I really like resolve that within myself, I can't really do Christmas. So I'm taking the initiative to do little baby steps and stuff like this. Even though this tree look a hot ass mess, even though the tree look a hot ass mess, it still say, hey, I'm putting forth the effort to get that piece of me back. Okay, so that's the that's the gag, bitch. That's the tea, because who I did it to myself. So let me just, recollect myself, and I gotta stop beating myself up over it. And that's for my viewers too. Like my sub is, I know I'm not the only person. It may not be Christmas, or it may not be a holiday. It may just be something that could trigger you and take you back to like, you know what? Why did you do that? What you thought what you thought the outcome was gonna be. Like if you have something that triggers you like that and sends you back, fight for it. Get yourself back to you, okay? Fight for it, y'all. It's worth it. Let me tell y'all, it's worth it. Even if you take the initiative to take little baby steps like I'm doing right here, do that, okay? Get yourself back, honey. Okay? Diva, okay? Sassy, okay? Fearless, Sasha Fierce, okay? Think about Beyonce. Beyonce ain't worrying about no nigga. Beyonce not letting no nigga break her, okay? So just don't worry about it. Get yourself back together. Take little baby steps or whatever Do you. Be happy. Celebrate your life. Life is truly a blessing, okay? So I just had to give y'all a little tea. I just had to give y'all a little scoop of, my backstory with Christmas and stuff. And I'm gonna start taking the steps to get myself back and find that little piece that little piece I lost, okay? So y'all can watch me put this little raggedy tree together, whatever. But the whole point and purpose is to let y'all know I'm taking the steps necessary to get me back. Okay? Now I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this little story time and enjoyed me, rustling, tussling with this damn tree girl. Okay? But I love y'all. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment, Let's share. Okay? Leave a comment. Let me know what your issue is. Who did it, girl? Who did it? And how you gonna get yourself back, girl? Okay, I love y'all. Subscribe. Hit that like button. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, fig tree. Come through. Now I need to put some like some little bulbs or something on it. Or would that be too much? I definitely feel like I need like a couple more lights or something to, cause it's kind of like the top of the tree now lit, and then like when you come back down towards the bottom of the tree now lit. So I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, help your girl out. Hit that notification bell and hit that thumbs up button. See you guys in my next video.